Hello, my name is Eric Brandsburg, CTO of Heimdall Data. Security and IT teams often lack visibility and control of database access. It is often left in the hands of DBAs. It is challenging to get a list of users who have access to sensitive data. Also, organizations typically have poor processes allowing individuals to get approval for data access. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate our database access portal, which solves these problems, fulfilling regulatory requirements for segregation of duty, and to provide an audit trail of who had access to what and when. To start, I'm going to log in as an administrative user, and once in, navigate to our Postgres data source. Next, we are going to come down to the roles section, which is based on LDAP or Active Directory groups. What we can see here is that we have an UDO role, which doesn't require any approval for users, and the database role, which requires a single approver. Continuing down, we come to our Database Explorer, and we can see there's no eBrandsburg user created yet. Now, I'm going to log in as a user to show you an end user's perspective. As you can see, it has a very much simplified interface just for portal access. I'm going to request Postgres access and type in a justification. I can see who the approvers are by clicking on the envelope icon. Clicking on Request Session will start the approval process. I will go back to my administrator portal and go to Pending Approvals. I can see that this user, eBrandsburg, has requested access to the Postgres role and their justification, which I can now approve. With that completed, I'm going to go back to my administrative interface. I'm going to browse into our Postgres instance, and we can now verify the user and permissions are correct. As you can see, this user has been granted the role of Postgres as requested. As the user, I can now terminate the session. Back as administrator, I can also switch to the session history view and observe the audit log of access. And that concludes this demonstration. This is a very simple and high-level view of how an organization can manage users with appropriate permissions and approvals from Active Directory or other LDAP directories. Thank you and have a good day.